What are the attributes of the Supreme Reality? First, Adrishtam, that is invisible. It cannot be seen no matter how much the eyes try. Vision cannot perceive it. Avyabharyam, beyond interaction. It cannot be touched, grasped, spoken to, seen, or heard. No relationship or dealings can be established with it. It is unrelated, beyond all connections, neither a friend nor a foe. Such is the mystery of the being of all beings. Agrahyam, that means unattainable by the senses. It cannot be held, smelled, tasted, heard, or seen. The senses have no access to it. Next is alakshanam, that is indefinable. Since it cannot be perceived through the senses, it defies definition. Definitions rely on qualities known through experience, but this being is beyond sensory experience and thus cannot be characterized. Next is achintyam, that means unthinkable. The mind cannot conceive it, nor can it be meditated upon in the usual way. Thought externalizes objects into space and time, but this being is beyond space and time, making it impossible to think of in conventional terms. Next is avayabadesham, that means indescribable. It is beyond words. No scripture, no saint, no collection of wisdom can adequately capture its essence. It is beyond all knowledge, peerless, and incomparable. This reality cannot be referenced like worldly objects which exist in relation to one another. In contrast, this being stands alone beyond all references. It is the silence of all activity, of both body and mind. Such is the Supreme Reality, the ultimate truth of existence, the Self or Atma.